Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay with Square. So before doing this process, I would suggest you to read further on enabling or adding Afterpay into your Square app store. So how do you actually use Afterpay? So first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and go to your Square dashboard and log in into your account. Now from there, go to your account and settings, and from there you need to look for the business information and just click on payment methods. Now from there, you'll see the Afterpay payment method. Now from there, just click on edit settings. Now from there, just toggle the in-person settings to either on or off. So in this case, you want to toggle this to on for you to use Afterpay. Now from there, just click on the save button and you'll be able to enable Afterpay and to your Square Up. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.